And Ice, again a very short poem by Robert Frost, American poet who writes generally about nature. Very, very famous poem and very short poem giving a great message. The poet in this poem brings out two opposite concepts. One is fire and ice. He says the world, he talks about a sublime, very high subject. He says the world will end either by fire or by ice. Now, fire and ice, he is symbolized. There is a symbol. Fire is a symbol of cruelty. It is a symbol of greed, conflicts, fury, that is anger of the people. And on the other hand, ice stands for intolerance. जब आदमी एक दूसरे को टॉलरेट नहीं करेगा, insensitive हो जाएगा, दूसरे के बारे में सोचेगा नहीं, coldness, hatred. And poet says that these negative qualities of fire as well as ice, they are very, very detrimental, they are very fatal, hazardous for the advancement of this earth. So the poet very beautifully says that these qualities will destroy the earth. So there is symbolism in the poem. Outward ये fire और ice है, पर अंदर से fire का मतलब है cruelty. Okay, and same is with the ice. Now we come to the line. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. Poet says that some people say that the world will end, it will come to an end with the fire. And there are other people who says that the world will end with in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But poet कहता है from my experience, from what I have tasted of desire, कह रहा है जितना मैं जानता हूँ, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो अर्थ है इट विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय फायर. ये फायर से जाएगा. ही फेवर्स विद दोज पीपल हु सेज दैट फायर विल एंड दिस वर्ल्ड. So it is a beautiful poem. Now you see the first line, the last word again, fire, r sound. It is suppose A. And the second line, the word is ice, s sound. So it will be B. Again desire rhyming with fire, so it will be A. Desire and fire of course is same, so it is A. So the rhyme scheme of the stanza is A, B, A, A. This is how we take out rhyme scheme. We have to see to the rhyming words. Now we come to the next line. Some say, but if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Poet कहता है, but if वर्ल्ड वर टू एंड ट्वाइस, अगर ये दुनिया दो बार पेरिश होगी, दो बार डिस्ट्रॉय होगी, दो बार डाई होगी, देन अगेन पोइट सेज फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस, जितना मैं जानता हूँ वो ये है कि फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हेट्रेड आइस इज ऑल्सो पावरफुल. वो कहता है फायर ही नहीं, आइस भी उतना ही पावरफुल फैक्टर है वर्ल्ड को डिस्ट्रॉय करने में, एंड विल बी सफिशेंट. सफिस मीन्स सफिशेंट, वो भी इतना ही सफिशेंट है वर्ल्ड को ख़त्म करने के लिए. So this is a beautiful poem, a very, very short poem. Poet has used metaphors, we can say. Poet has used metaphors. He has used symbolism. The fire stands for, as I told you, greed, the cruelty, the conflict, and the fury, anger. Whereas the ice stands for intolerance, insensitivity, coldness, and hatred. And both these negative qualities of human beings, they are very, very hazardous for the एडवांसमेंट ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन. नेचुरली सिविलाइजेशन विल कम टू एन एंड. दुनिया ऐसे ही तबाह हो जाएगी, या तो फायर से होगी या फिर आइस से होगी. इतना आइस हो जाएगा दुनिया में, वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी, या इतना फायर बढ़ जाएगा, इतना सपोज इट विल बिकम वेरी हॉट एंड हॉट ड्यू टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. ऑल्सो इट कैन बिकम हॉट ड्यू टू सन. ऑल्सो इट मे हैपन दैट सन में गेट वेरी, वेरी हॉट, या सन में गेट वेरी, वेरी कोल्ड. So this is the outline idea, and the inside idea is that the world will end with two qualities, either with the fire, the passion, and with the indifference of the people. So this is a short poem, and I hope you have understood what is the great message the poet wants to give. He says we have to be, in order to live or lead a contented life, satisfied life, पीसफुल लाइफ, वी मस्ट अवॉइड बोथ द फायर एज वेल एज आइस. ना तो हमारे अंदर फायरी क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए, या ना ही हमारे अंदर कोल्डनेस होनी चाहिए. हमें ना तो इतना कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में जाना चाहिए, ग्रीड में जाना चाहिए, क्रूअल बनना चाहिए, ना ही हमें दूसरे के लिए हेट्रेड रखनी चाहिए. हमें इनसेंसिटिव नहीं होना चाहिए, हमें दूसरों के प्रति सेंसिटिव होना चाहिए, दूसरे को टॉलरेट करना चाहिए. ओके, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द पोएम. थैंक यू.